random thing. I'll just get a smoke grenade.
I will find a gun.
Find a gun.
Find
A gun.
A gun.
A gun.
Not that gun. A gun. What? Oh, I have that gun. I don't want that gun. I don't want that gun either.
Okay.
Levi, hopping around.
Ooh, I found some deagles. Now I need ammo.
That long to find everything?
Well, I spawned in late, so...
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Lots of weapons.
There we go. Now we good to go.
Are you good to go, huh?
Ow! What the heck?
Chlorine leak. Oh god, what is this?
Yeah, that's a problem. That's called get out of pool.
Oh my god, it's all green. I can't see shit.
No, it won't kill you. It doesn't kill you.
Was it just make it
It just makes it. It just makes it very. Like,
Wait
low
a
visibility.
minute. I think I know where that trap is. Is that where
Yeah.
Carson?
Yeah, I think you might know where it is too.
It's an elevated area, correct?
Yeah. It's,
Okay.
You know where it is. It's
I
on
know
the
where it
ceiling.
is.
It's on the ceiling.
Yep, I know where it is. It's that turn.
It's that one thing.
That
yep.
wheel.
Ah, finally,
turn.
I
That
can
wheel.
see again.
That wheel right by the
So
slot.
hold on. So wait, was that always there or did they just now put that
That was
there?
always there. That was always there.
Oh, well we always
No,
only
figure
played
that
hide and
out.
seek here, so we never really knew about it.
No, you were playing murder at that time.
Well, we played hide and seek at this one too.
Oh yeah.
Well,
And
yeah,
that ball
yeah.
game.
Oh, who touched it last?
Yeah.
Carson, just say
Oh, you
in. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. He had an
Um,
up. Never mind.
Okay, so I won, or
Hooray.
we won, Carson. I was trying.
How did you die in the water?
I hit the kill command.
Oh.
Og. Og. Og.
Ugh.
Og, 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 og.
A secret that you'll have to find out when you. Yeah. Oh. There's another trap. I know about. Well, I can't do it because I'm innocent. Okay. I don't know if I can or not.
Ow. Been trying to get ammo.
Good.
Oh.
What?
Okay, so
Well, when Carson said he was innocent and I was innocent, I did the math.
well, okay, I was once again on the same team as Carson.
Damn it.
Doing the math. Kill command. Ah. Oh, shoot. Whoop. I hit it after I spawned. Whoops. Don't mind me. Just lying here on the floor. So I haven't been killed yet. I'm kind of curious to know if I would spaz out again here at this map like I did before.
Oh, by the stalls or whatever.
Yeah.
Wonder if it works if you're not a trader.
Probably only a trader can activate it, I would think.
Let's see.
The heck?
Yeah, it doesn't work. The other thing doesn't work either. I guess you do have to be a trader.
I guess so.
Oh, okay. That was
I'm
saw. Okay.
innocent.
I was making sure that it was like if I would have silently gone over there because I saw Levi up on the slide. That's it. I'll go too. Alright, here I come.
I am Cinnamon.
No.
Alright,
Okay,
Carson's
that's
good.
I'm in.
Well, we
Let's
now
go.
know who it is.
There's only one traitor. It's one of them too.
Oh, it's only one. Okay.
I'm
I
stalking
guess
him.
you go find one, I'll find one then.
Well, where are they? We don't have radars.
We're all good.
Oh,
Stupid rifle. There we go. And he threw an incendiary grenade at me too.
I'll make it 2 just because it seems more fair that way.
Seems a little OP if you ask me. But okay. Ah!
Og. Incendiary right where I was I wanted. Deagle! No, I don't want a pistol. I don't want to get rid of my Og. The right gun, please. Oh.
Don't tell me to move.
What the heck? What was that?
Why?
It's strange.
Why?
Like someone was killing people. Yay!
Why?
What a quick round.
Why?
Okay, yeah, I think she was a
Seriously,
little-
Did you do,
Why?
Carson? Did you do anything?
No.
I was just,
I just turned on the trap.
just me, just me going to town.
Putting it back
Everybody,
to 1.
and Carson just walking around,
Did you
enjoying
not see
the
the thing I
profits.
enabled?
No, I didn't.
That deagle, that's... One discombobb. Bob at the table.
Ow!
Said I was discombobbing the table. Not my fault you didn't listen.
Not
I
my
just heard
fault
someone.
you're
I
an
just heard
idiot.
someone shooting. Steph, I'm gonna come join you. I hope that's not too much trouble.
No, that's fine.
Oh, I just heard someone shooting.
I'm innocent this time.
Are you?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Why would I lie? I've been
Uh,
pretty silent most of this game.
I don't know, cause it's Trouble in Terrorist Town.
Exactly.
Oh, I see Levi in the water.
I'm just in Never Never Land.
He's what? Oh.
What?
Hello?
Beth, what are you doing?
No, I'm not gonna shoot you.
Going down the slide.
I'm pretty sure. Oh, you want me to go down the slide?
I'm going down the slide already.
All right, I'm going to.
That's me.
That's me. Almost think it might be Levi then. Do we try flanking him?
Okay. Well, why are you saying this out loud?
Well, I mean, I can't really type in a team chat.
Where would Levi be?
Towards the beginning again. Near the
Spawn?
spawn? Yeah. C4's been planted. C4's been planted, and I just got hit by it.
Well, good thing I left that room.
Okay, that was fun.
That was fun.
So someone set a C4 in the maintenance room. Oh, Oh, there goes an innocent.
Building. Are you kidding me? I went down this slide.
We both went down the slide, Carson and myself. Oh boy. It's called crouch jumping, Levi. Carson!
Oh, what? I was just about to use the AK.
I'll take that.
I see Carson
God.
messing around with Belding's body. Why is there a rope attached to Charles' body?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, I put a string on it.
If you like it,
Yeah,
then you better put a string on it.
948. Og.
If you like it, then you should have put a string on it.
The rope.
Oh.
Where's that deagle?
I'm looking for one too. I just got a pistol.
Yeah, I only got a pistol as well.
Need a deagle!
Dingo!
What the hell? Why are people shooting me at spawn?
Probably building.
For fuck's sake.
Ow.
Okay.
Haha. Oh, it didn't say C4. Okay. That's the thing in your body. Oh, okay.
Don't take my body. Okay, wow.
You're hanging.
Apparently
I
so.
have a feeling that this might be the last round because then I gotta go eat.
Okay, they can have us 3 fight.
All the things it gives me.
Or we could go to murder.
2-on-1 murder. But murder's no fun when you're just like shooting people randomly.
I ain't got shit. No.
Great, I'm not gonna go in that room when you're both going over there.
Well, then I'm not going over there either.
There ain't nothing in here either. Why does this map not have deagles anymore?
I don't know. Okay. I know where you're at, too.
Seth died.
No. I'm good. I'm good. I was able to
Oh.
crouch behind a wall, but I was
Little
shot
thing
and
of
I
smoke
saw the
right there.
location.
There's a little thing of smoke somewhere right there.
I saw the location. I know where he's at.
Ah, here's a deagle. Finally. What the hell? I couldn't see it till the last second!
Oh boy. Okay, well. Oh. Wait.
What?
Hold on a doggone second.
What?
How did you
He's
had-
going down the slide on fire.
you had to no clip.
No, it's something I found. It's a trader thing.
Right.
It's.
Right. Prove it.
Yeah, Belding, you might as well give up.
I don't have a sniper. I can't. I gotta get off. Hope I don't die.
You won't die, you can get off on the left side.
Yeah, remember?
Carson, you could have walked down the walkway that was there, but okay. Now, how the heck did
Ready?
do
Are you
that?
following me? Are you
Yes, I
following
am.
me?
I am.
Right here.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Are you kidding me?
What?
What the heck?
Levi, did you not see it?
How did
No,
How did
I
you
didn't
discover
see
that?
anything.
Okay,
What
Levi,
is
something.
it?
How did you discover that?
Hey, Levi, are you watching?
I can't see. Okay, now I see it.
Okay, are you watching?
Yes. Oh my god.
That is
You have got to be
great.
kidding me. Was that there the whole time?
Was there the whole time?
How did you
Wow,
find
and
it?
we kept doing it the hard way. in
How
the
did you
past.
find that?
I mean, you have to be a trader.
You have to be a
only get
trader to activate it, but I
Yeah.
mean, how the heck did you find that?
it. I had my ways.
Walkthroughs.
I just like randomly opening stuff.
She's like, yeah, I think I'll go and open a vending machine
Oh, I
today.
got an idea. I got an idea. Watch this. The best way to do something to someone in the water. Okay, see this?
Yeah.
What was that?
Is he in the water? Yep. See, it makes the water hot and it hurts you if you go in the water.
Oh my goodness, there's like so many
Oh.
traps here. I didn't know that were there.
Those are the only three I discovered.
Huh.
Well,
It makes the water bubble.
I'm calling it a day. So see you later.
Alrighty.
Okay, bye bye.
See ya.
Buddy disconnected from your channel.
I want the og. That's just 2v1 now. And based on that, you guys know all the traps here. You guys know all the fun traps here, so have
Yep.
fun. Ow. Levi's shooting at me!
Oh, why wouldn't I?
Man, I wish I was a trader. I wanted to go to the vending machine.
So it's not Levi.
What do you mean it's not Levi?
I just saw him try to open the door and he couldn't open it.
I tried
Tried to open
opening it too, and I couldn't.
Tried to
'cause-
open the teleporter door and he couldn't open it.
So it's you, Carson.
No!
Bullshit.
Shot at me!
I think it's
Wow.
Carson too.
Wait, okay, fine. Shoot me then. Why don't you do this? We're gonna lose karma, Levi. Don't you do it. Don't do it. You want me to go over there and see and prove to you that I'm not? I can't open it? Yep, he's in. Oh, I saw it. Seth's it. It's Seth. He just used it. Levi, he's using it. He's up at the top. Where?
Is this supposed to work like this?
User joined your
Is
channel.
it Carson? Is it supposed to
What?
work like this?
Work like what?
I'm stuck in the vending machine. I can't
Press a button on the top.
on the top. Oh. Oh, I see.
Okay, well, Seth's the trader now, we know.
It's nice to know that afterwards, but okay.
hiding up there.
I am not. I'm not up here.
Oh, well, someone just fell.
Me, and I'm dead.
You're not dead?
I'm dead.
Yeah. Hearing me. Closed here.
Someone's staring out into the abyss.
Let's see.
Well,
Aha!
Oh, well, I see Levi's body.
Going for the ultimate dive! Woo!
oh my god, you went in the water.
Oh,
Yay, I made it!
He used the kill GMod.
I did.
Oh boy.
I don't know why my thing stuck on talk activation, but it did.
Don't lose your way. In here, yes.
Someone just threw a gun at me.
I think that was probably me. Damn smoke grenades. I want Sud Eagle.
Seth, what are you aiming for?
I was just looking at the two of you.
What, Luteria?
The two of you.
Okay, whatever.
Oh, I think. Oh, I finally found one.
Hooray!
What? Ow! Hey, who's invisible? Someone's invisible.
Oh, that's not me! Ah!
So Seth's the traitor again, isn't he?
No, it must have been you, because I wasn't invisible.
No, I'm all the way over here and I have a sniper, so...
Then it was you.
It wasn't me, I swear! I don't know how I was invisible.
Yeah, I was getting shot by someone who was invisible.
Well, I hope that you're the innocent, Carson, because I've got him very badly wounded. Okay, never mind. You're standing there with an op.
An op is a sniper.
Oh, it looked like an op. They all look the same to me.
If it was an op, it'd be making a huge explosion sound.
Oh.
You up there?
Maybe? Scanning the territory. Where could he be? Oh boy. It's hard to kind of get a good view of this.
I can't even find him. I can't... Oh, there he is. I see.
Why?
Oh wow!
Damn it!
I mean, it's not hard. You can aim at any part of his body.
Well, of course, when
Well,
he's
I was
badly
down to
wounded.
9 health.
Yeah.
thanks to Whoever was shooting me while invisible.
That was me. I don't even know how I was invisible. That I don't understand. I mean, I don't know how I showed up invisible on your end.
I don't want a Glock.
Yeah, I've got a Glock too. I'll trade you my Glock for your Glock.
I want pistol. Pistol's fine enough.
Wait, do I have a Glock? I do have a Glock, yeah, so I'm just gonna keep a Glock, I guess. Ow!
I wasn't trying to
Ow!
get you. I'm trying to get the Carsonist.
Why?
Why?
I didn't
Just
do anything.
because.
The heck? Why can't we all just be friends?
Damn it!
We should all just be friends. Ow!
Why is it always me having to do all the work?
I don't know. I mean, I
think
was
you
there as an
rigged
innocent
it.
bystander.
It's
I
rigged,
was a
isn't
very
it?
peaceful
No,
trader.
it's
I
not.
didn't
How
shoot
is it rigged? I
anyone.
can't choose who the traitor
It's rigged
is.
for you to be the innocent all the time.
No, it's just because I had bad luck. I want to be the traitor.
He was the traitor the last time when he showed us the secrets.
Yeah, I know. I was a traitor. That was like 3 rounds ago. Saying that it's like not me again. Ovulator.
Why the heck can I not find
Don't
what
want
I'm
an
looking for?
M16.
I literally have no weapon. Lovely. Wait a minute. Aren't there stuff over here? Oh, yeah, there are. But nothing worth getting. Might as well stick with this. Even though I don't want it.
What?
I win!
Why?
Hi, Carson.
I
No!
haven't done anything yet.
I just
Can
stuck
we
around.
stop killing each other 90 seconds in?
Don't hang me from a vending machine. I look like I got drunk on the soda and just
Here, I'll
kinda-
give you 40 seconds to prepare. That's the next round. I keep getting a Glock. Give me a Glock and stop being a cop.
Yeah, there was one deagle last round that I got.
Oh yeah, I remember there's like weapons not at the beginning, not just at the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was some in that room.
There's
with
some. A lot
traitor
of them are in
thing.
the stalls too.
Oh, there's some in the stalls?
Yeah.
Huh.
Search
Well,
for
I'll
them.
check those out and see what I can find. None in here. None in here. I'm just gonna look in every single stall. Alright, well, there's an ammo box. One of them.
Double-sided stall.
Found a grenade in a stall.
I found a stall in a stall. Found another stall in a stall. Oh, I found something. Oh, I found a deagle. Anybody want the deagle? I'll give them to you.
I do.
Where are you?
I'm over in the stalls.
Okay, hang on. I'm at the stalls. Where you at?
I'm out in like a hallway.
Hallway. Hallway? Hallway? Hello? Oh, right here. Do you have
Oh,
a pistol?
right here, yeah.
Do you have a pistol?
No.
Okay. And Kapuya.
Oh, here, C4, 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 C4.
What? Oh!
Oh,
I'm
I
right over
heard
there.
it!
I'm not there.
It just
Oh my
exploded.
god, it was right. It was in one of the stalls.
It was in a stall.
One of you two put it in.
Somebody's shooting me.
Yeah! The person
It's
that
Seth.
knows you're the traitor! That's who!
I
Oh.
was a traitor.
Thanks for the bluff, Carson! Dang it!
You bastard.
I thought you were gonna find the C4.
Well,
for a
I got my deagle back!
Damn
Ow!
it.
When I shot Levi, the deagle sprouted out and like squirted out back to me. It wanted to come back home.
I have had shit luck right here.
Dang it, Carson with your... Oh, it's a C4! I wonder who could have planted it.
second. I actually thought I thought someone was gonna hear it for a second. It looked like
No, I
it's
didn't
pretty
hear it.
loud. It's actually not that. It's not that quiet.
No, I didn't hear it.
It was pretty close to you when I planted it. Oh, we should do. You guys want to go to the Airbus?
To where?
Sure.
Airbus. After this round.
With 3
Sure.
people?
3 people. That's so fun. You never know. Plus, you can't really hide anywhere. Unless you're the traitor.
Meanwhile, I'm going back to my adventure of looking for weapons in the stalls. Ah, stupid grenades!
Oh my goodness.
I've seen that.
Oh my goodness.
Same stall, Levi.
Guys, do me a favor. Don't kill me, but come to the vending machine.
Oh boy.
Just come to the vending machine. I will even holster my weapon. So you guys can see this.
Are you stuck in the door?
I am stuck in the door. It is spinning me around. I'm getting very dizzy.
Okay,
It's a non-stop rotation. What the heck? I feel like I'm merry-go-round.
I can't wait to actually see this.
I kind of want to see what this looks like from third person. Carson, if you're recording, if you could send me just a clip of what it looks like from your standpoint, that would be great. Because I'm getting very dizzy in the first person perspective.
I see it.
What the heck is going on?
And he went inside the stall too, and it's shut.
I'm gonna dive into the pool.
Well, thanks for putting me in, guys. I appreciate it.
Yeah, he went into the freaking vending machine.
I don't know what happened.
closed.
I think the door closed before I went in, and all of a sudden, it stuck me there, and I just kept rotating. I couldn't get out. I couldn't move.
I'd seen.
It's like, what is that glitch all about?
I don't know.
That was interesting. And of course, leave it to me to find the glitch.